This video has a very significant topic for discussion. It's not that Bitcoin broke its all-time high before. We're not talking about something happening on Bitcoin for the first time. The entire market capitalization of cryptocurrencies bursting through its peak before half of something even more amazing, which will show you and guide you to the promised land where this crypto in light of where the market is headed in 2025. What do you do now? Let's say we dive right in and discover the news. Bitcoin, $69.6122 right now, it's unavailable. 1.33% during the last day, with Ethereum currently trading at $3,547. The USDT and USDC are both coming in at a 1.68% decline. The dollar pegs in XRP are exactly where we would like to see them be. This is a reliable coin operating steadily. 61 cents is the total market cap of cryptocurrency, which is currently $2 trillion, or $653 billion. I discussed this at the end of my first video this morning, but I want to make sure that everyone understands this and considers it because many people are saying that XRP can never hit $10 due to the credible market cap that crypto breaks down. If you didn't watch the entire thing, you probably didn't hear me say it. It asserts that reality is what we have on hand right now. If you believe that $10 XRP is unachievable, then $10,000 Ethereum is. Providing $10,000 in Ethereum is equal to $20 in XRP. Regarding Ethereum, you must, people. You need to examine yourself and return to the real world, don't you? 20 XRP is equal to 10,000 Ethereum. Right now, where is Ethereum? If we double the market cap of $3,500, which is $419 billion, where would that place us? Where will the sum be placed? Ethereum has a market capitalization of approximately 840 billion cryptocurrencies, meaning that with 10,000 Ethereums, we will reach roughly 1 trillion. We then look at XRP. $10 all of $20 is quite realistic, attainable, and quite true. The blow-up tops, or XRP $17 to $24 range, have been discussed. Many individuals or you've probably heard the argument that XRP will never reach $20 because the market will be too high and that it will never reach $10. Since its market capitalization will be excessively large, while Bitcoin is permitted to reach $1 trillion market capitalization. Despite having a $1 trillion market capitalization, Ethereum is prohibited for some reason. $1 trillion is not permitted. Market cap, please take that. Taking everything into account, people, since I don't research to identify Ripple connections, Andrew posted this. I research to fully comprehend payment networks and market infrastructure, and then, well, Ripple seems to pop up in every discussion. It's interesting over there. I'm not sure how long my audience has been here. Some of you may have been here before 2017 and some may have been here after. But what's interesting about this is that when we actually start to do our due diligence and research on Ripple and the partners they have or have partnered with, what do we discover? Every stone we turn around, every curve we flip, there is a ripple effect. In the soon-to-be-released new payment landscape and system, Ripple will be extremely important. Whatever name you want to give it, Swift 2.0, Swift 2.5, or Swift 3.0, Ripple is still involved traditionally. Of transferring money across borders, it's just that easy to disappear. It appears to be disappearing as they switch to a blockchain-based DLT network infrastructure. It's very clear. Yes, but no, Ripple won't replace everything. There will never be. We've seen one winner, so take a listen. There's no one winner on the internet. Consider your current internet provider. Every time we discuss network providers, you invariably mention Comcast. You have a CenturyLink at all times. In your area, Verizon, or perhaps Comcast, holds 80% of the market, but there is never a clear winner, so Ripple won't take home the entire PMAN games cross-board. However, they will remove a sizable portion of material that you don't need. 90%, 10%, 15%, and 20%, and you are killing it in the market. Hello everyone, this is my NFT project on the XRP Ledger. I do not run. If I can count, there are 5 million wallets on the XRP Ledger, accounting for 100% of the NFTs. 50,000 wallets, or 1% of those 5 million, would indicate that my initiative is performing fairly well. We receive 1%. With 50,000 wallets, I believe we'll be right. Only to demonstrate to you that you only need to participate in and play the game, you don't need to own a monopoly. And that's it. Instead of sitting on the bench, you should be taking the initiative. People, the Bitcoin Daily is now closed. Guess what, though? It is optimistic. What now? After Bitcoin finished its 6th straight daily candle above the Fibonacci level 1.0 previous all-time high, indicating a strong bullish trend, it's significant to see basic Bitcoin closing at the previous all-time high price for 7 straight daily candles. It's right here. What does this signify? Extremely bullish. This is a powerful signal. Given a compelling argument for Bitcoin, we obtain this. You're going to see a lot of shit, Bill Morgan, because there is constant controversy surrounding this, and I'm not sure why nothing new is added to the $1 billion in XRP that is released from escrow each month. Occasionally, it occurs in 2 transactions totaling $500 million. Other times, it is utilized and reaches the circulating supply, but most of the time, guess what, it doesn't. It's merely back up top. So, that's where we are. Occurs every month. Nothing new here, people. Bill Morgan's dump was so strong that it destroyed the value of Bitcoin. Look for XRP there. Ripple disclosed the details of the price drop, but I apologize to Bitcoin owners for the unfortunate outcome. However, as everyone claims, Ripple is flooding the market with XRP. We apologize, but this may have caused the price of Bitcoin to plummet. Don't worry. The same thing is going to occur first. I apologize for Bitu's recent price manipulation. I'm curious about what's going on. What is this? That's an excellent query. I have no idea what that is, but it seems like a really intriguing thing. Tell me, have you ever looked into it? You'll observe some strange things when you order books on exchanges, such as, why are we selling 1.7 XRP at 61 cents for multiple orders at not 6,119,612 like that? Is illogical. It makes no sense, yet they preach their own message. This is their XRP, which we obtained by dropping the Ripple emblem into the networks of networks. The fundamental symbol of R is a mark known as the prison, which integrates the concepts of math, nature, history, and interconnection. Ripple links the value network. You believe that there is a reason behind here. Specifically, Bob has discussed this, and Bob Way was among the first 7 workers at Ripple in the past. Bob is probably correct. Possesses a reasonable comprehension of the inner workings of Ripple and what they're doing, and this is all about the origin of the local. I'm not playing the sound on this because, I'm not sure if we're going to be hit with a copyright claim. We kind of go, I think. We're going to leave it be. Chad stated this is how Ripple joined the International Swap Association, ISTA. What does the rival association do? It's utilized to provide a range of digital solutions meant to assist members in organizing and optimizing several facets of the derivatives process. This article from Binance News discusses the partner in the quadrillion market, XRP, because Ripple joined the main institutions. Have a look at these names. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and the London Stock Exchange. It's quite fascinating. Isn't it going to occur later? Time will tell with this club, no doubt about it. Why did Ripple, though, join? What do they consist of? Aiming to do, with more than 1,000 members across 79 countries, this covers, and then we get this, Bitcoin is closing. The 7 covered is about monthly candle close for the first time in history. This is significant. This is quite significant. Given that it is creating a stunning, sturdy support base around its most recent all-time high, what happens from we are going to find out in due course. But for now, I think we are about 2 weeks away from the Bitcoin having the events that occurred during the halving. If we can break through that 61, we'll refer to it as the $63,000 area. I fully expect a slight price retracement on the halving. That's all there is to it. Hit that, and the races will begin. There is a CME gap present at 645. Things may need to be filled, although when does the supercycle begin? Simply enough, at roughly $74,000, and then Bitcoin enters the supercycle. If so, good night, farewell, and see you later. We're never going to see these levels for a long time, so let's race. Since everything will be optimistic.